The observable universe is estimated to be about 93 billion light-years in diameter. That means that light from the farthest objects we can observe has taken approximately 13.8 billion years to reach us since the Big Bang, which is the estimated age of the universe. This prompts a question that humanity has been asking basically since the dawn of time. What lies beyond the edge of the universe? Is there an edge to begin with? Or is the universe ever expanding and infinite, just waiting to be discovered? The answer is complicated. But thanks to futuristic technologies like the Hubble and James Webb Space Telescope and the relentless efforts of sophisticated institutes like NASA and SpaceX, we are closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe like never before. In today's video, we'll explore the uncharted territories of space and see what lies beyond the universe as we know it. Join us as we take you on a thrilling journey through the cosmos to the edge of the universe and beyond. The universe is unfathomably massive, and we're just beginning to explore it. One estimate says that there are about 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. So far, we have only explored just past the edge of our own solar system with spacecraft and probes. 96% of space remains unmapped, and astronomers have studied only about 4% of the universe, which includes exoplanets, stars, and galaxies. It's difficult to grasp the vastness of the universe. The observable universe encompasses all that is visible through telescopes or other scientific methods, so of course there are limitations to how deep we can dig into space. It is also highly likely that there's so much more to the universe, but we do not yet have the technological means of peering that far into space. The farthest object the cutting-edge James Webb has been able to observe so far is Earendel, a star that shines brighter than the sun. This star existed shortly before the Big Bang, in the first billion years of the universe's existence, and was first detected by the Hubble Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope has provided even more information about Earendel, revealing that it is a massive B-type star that is over twice as hot as our Sun and 1,000,000 times more luminous. The reason it can be detected is because it is aligned with a galaxy cluster that lies between Earendel and us. The gravity of this cluster bends light, causing objects behind it to appear magnified. In the case of Earendel, it is magnified by a factor of at least 4,000. Astronomers have also noticed that Earendel may have a cooler companion star based on the colors of its light. The Webb telescope has also allowed scientists to observe other details within Earendel's host galaxy known as the Sunrise Arc. This galaxy is the most highly magnified galaxy ever detected from the universe's first billion years. Within the Sunrise Arc, there are both young regions where stars are currently forming and older star clusters that are as small as 10 light-years in size. Thanks to its high sensitivity, the Webb telescope has also been able to spot other distant stars, although not quite as far away as Earendel. The bottom line is that it is extremely hard for astronomers and scientists to put a number on the size and age of the universe, because each discovery challenges our pre-existing understanding and knowledge of the universe. Coming back to the mind-boggling question, is there an edge to the universe? If we define the universe as everything that exists, then it cannot have an edge because that would mean we are excluding something. However, some people ask if the universe is expanding, what is it expanding into? This question arises from a misconception about the concept of expanding universe. In 1915, during the height of World War I, Albert Einstein formulated a groundbreaking theory of gravity in Berlin. This theory replaced Newton's theory, and in 1916, Einstein applied it to the largest known source of gravitational mass, the universe. What Einstein's theory revealed was that the universe could not remain stationary, but must be in motion, either expanding or contracting. In fact, in 1929, the American astronomer Edwin Hubble made a significant discovery. He found that galaxies were moving away from each other, resembling fragments of cosmic debris after a massive explosion known as the Big Bang. In simple terms, the expansion of the universe refers to the fact that the space between galaxies is increasing. According to Einstein's theory, the universe could either be infinite with no boundaries or have a curved shape resembling a higher dimensional version of a ball's surface, also without any edges. In the second scenario, we would confirm this by observing the same galaxies on opposite sides of the universe as we look further away using our telescopes. However, some people argue that the universe does have a definite boundary because it originated from the Big Bang 13.82 billion years ago. Consequently, we can only see those galaxies whose light has traveled less than 13.82 billion years to reach us. These galaxies exist within a spherical region in space centered around the Earth, which we refer to as the observable universe. In reality, it spans about 92 billion light years due to the rapid expansion of the universe exceeding the speed of light during its initial moments. The observable universe is limited by a cosmic horizon, similar to the horizon at sea. Just like we are aware there is more ocean beyond the horizon, we know that there are additional galaxies beyond the cosmic horizon. However, their light has not yet had enough time to reach us, though cosmologists aren't sure if the universe is infinitely big or just extremely large. In order to address the question of what lies beyond the universe, it is necessary to first establish a clear definition of what is meant by the universe. If we take the term to refer to everything that exists across space and time, then it logically follows that there can be nothing outside of it. Even if we were to imagine the universe as having a finite size, any entity existing beyond its boundaries would still be considered a part of the universe. This includes even a formless, shapeless, and nameless void, as it still constitutes an element within the all-encompassing universe. However, if we were to conceive of the universe as finite in size, then there would be no need to grapple with the concept of an outside, as the universe would be boundless and without edges. But if we talk about the observable universe, there is definitely an edge to it based on what we are currently able to see with our telescopes and space stations. Presumably, outside of that limit, there are numerous other random stars and galaxies. However, what lies further than that is difficult to determine. Nevertheless, there are so many theories and speculations about what lies beyond the universe. It is both intriguing and terrifying. Scientists believe that the space beyond the observable universe could potentially be an endless expanse of the same cosmic elements that surround us, distributed similarly to what we observe within our own universe. Therefore, in certain respects, the concept of infinity is logical. However, the term infinity implies that beyond the observable universe, one would not only encounter additional planets, stars, and other types of matter, but eventually come across every conceivable entity. Every single one. Another fascinating theory is dark flow. Laid down in 2008, it suggests that galactic clusters are all moving in the same direction at a very high speed, over 2 million miles per hour, possibly due to the gravitational influence of massive structures outside our universe. These structures could be anything from huge accumulations of matter and energy to warps in space-time that are channeling gravitational forces from other universes. However, recent analyses have challenged this theory. Another possibility is the existence of a multiverse, where our universe is just one small bubble among many others. These universes can come into contact with each other, and when they connect, a Big Bang-like event may occur. Some cosmological models propose a rather odd notion that the universe undergoes cycles of expansion and contraction known as the Big Bounce theory. In this case, what's beyond our current expanding universe could be a previous contracting phase, which could eventually lead to a new expanding universe, creating a cyclical process of universe birth and rebirth. Imagine our universe as a cosmic phoenix, constantly rising from its ashes in an endless cosmic cycle. How bizarre. Our universe is indeed shrouded in numberless enigmas and mysteries that are beyond our human brains. The idea of what's beyond the universe implies a level of understanding and knowledge that we may not yet possess. There could be phenomena, concepts, or dimensions that we have not yet discovered or even conceived. So there may be unknown unknowns past the bounds of the observable universe. Will cosmologists ever be able to map the 96% of the unknown universe and go beyond that? Meet extraterrestrials, or perhaps a warped version of themselves in another universe? Only time will tell what our cosmic future looks like.